Whereas the traditional method of manufacturing, which is a lot of injection mold, it requires a very expensive tool, very large volumes, so that it makes sense for the company to produce those custom products. And a lot of times, a B2B customer doesn't have a huge volume need, 10,000, 12,000, 20,000 pieces. Sometimes they need 500, sometimes they need 1,000. And that's something that we can facilitate for them very quickly.
Det är väldigt lätt att ändra en produkt under pågående produktion och göra den kundspecifik. För vi strävar efter hela tiden det här, göra kundspecifika saker så kunden verkligen får det de vill ha.
Since Brodit uses CNC machining versus injection molding, we are able to acknowledge requests for production of one part to thousands of parts. It also gives us the ability to be true problem solvers. We can service the customers quickly and with high quality products designed exactly to meet the customer's requirement to solve their problems.